Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is for people who are interested in playing the diversity lottery this month. As you can see, I'm on the official website tvprogram.state.gov, and most of the time people are facing an issue when they're trying to crop a picture using the tool provided by this website, official website. So the entry date for this year 2022 is from October 7 to November 10. So we still have some time to do it. And before I solve the problem, I'm gonna first show you which issue people are facing and how to solve it. And if you stay to the end, I'm gonna show you an bonus website where you can do it too. So let's get into it. So to do that, I'm gonna click on begin entry, and before I do that, let me click on here to show instruction on the photo right here. And for this page, for the instruction, that's where they show you, how your picture should look like. It should have a white background, and you can take it with the phone. I mean, most smartphones now, they have a very good camera. They want you to cut your shoulder. You gotta be in the middle, and as you can see, and right here they have this tool that you're supposed to use to do it. But if I click on the tool, you just go ahead and download it, and when I open it, it does this. But when I select the file, it doesn't upload it here. Yeah, that's because it downloaded the files. The file is supposed to be used online. So to solve this problem, let me just close this, and let me close this. So to resolve this problem, we have to create the HTML file. So just go ahead and search for Notepad here. If you have Windows, if you don't have Mac, just use your any text editor you have, and I'm going to paste this little HTML code here, and then all you have to do is go ahead inside the website and copy the link. You don't click, just right click and go to copy link. When you copy link, you go back to the new file you just created, and then you paste it here. So I'm going to give you this small HTML file in the comment, so you can just use it. So you right click in the middle here and paste the link you just copy. So, and then as you can see here, the weight, put 100, and the height, you put 1000 pixel, as you can see here. Put 1000 pixel for the height and the width 100%, and that's it. That's all you have to do, and then just save the file. So you want to save the file as a HTML file, go to file up here, go to save as, and then pick a location where you want to save it and give it a name, and just call it crop photo. And save it as just put that HTML. Click on save, and that's it. Now you can close this and go to location where you save the file. Okay, let me open the location. I have the file here. Just I mean, you can select which browser you want to use. I want to use Edge. You can still use Google Chrome or any browser. I think it should work, but I'm gonna use Microsoft Edge. And you have the same page, but the difference now is that when I go to select and select the picture I want to crop, so now you can upload the picture. So all you have to do is make sure that the picture fit inside the green area. That's how you do it. And if you don't want to do that, there's another website that you can use. This is the link to the website. It's called greencardphoto.com. Just copy it and paste it in the URL. And yeah, on here you just go in the website and upload the photo. And then all you have to do is make sure that this little green rectangle is on the bottom of the chain, as you can see here, and the top one is on the top head, and fix it. On the bottom of the chain, on the head, and next, and you can download it right here. Now you have your picture. You can go use it inside the website over here. You know, just click on begin. And alright guys, that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.